Hello, so I have here two Zigbee modules. Okay, one is the coordinator and the other is the end device. And well, what this does is sending broadcast messages to the PAN ID network that it has, and sending either an H or a L characters to either blink or not the LED. And as soon as I plug this in, it will start to communicate through Zigbee wireless communication, and the LED, this LED here, will start to either blink or not depending on the command it will receive from this one. Now I'm just plugging into the USB port right here. Okay, and the LED over there. It will start soon to blink. So both are just connected right now. We can see the power here. And there we go. They joined the network together without me doing anything to manage the connection. So these two modules are flashed already beforehand, and we can see that pretty much any radio model on a breadboard will work. In this case, I have here the Atmega 8 microcontroller, and I don't use the Arduino IDE or whatsoever to program. So I just flashed it with this ASP here, okay, through USB. That's all this wiring that carries.